So hello friends, welcome to Python Scope channel. Today we are learning bubble sort using function in Python. I repeat again, bubble sort using function in Python. So friends, Python Scope channel is today 14 days and you have new for this channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. So friends, you are benefit this channel for 0 to hero and basic to advanced level this Python programming channel languages. So friends, I will start come to our computer screen. So write down a question, bubble sort using function in Python. So let's start. Def bubble sort, def bubble sort, and then bubble sort inside a double r, which means array, and then colon a double r and length, which means array length is equal to length. So friends, length inside a double r, which means array, and then enter type for I in range. So friends, you have for new this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification for this basic to high level programming language in Python languages. Today's scope is Python, so we learn only Python languages. A double length, which means array length, and then colon. So then I can type for j in, which is similar so for an I range, and then for j in range in similar for j in range bracket 0 comma len, and then minus I minus 1. So friends, we have closed the bracket and colon, then enter. So you have new for this channel, subscribe the channel and get notification. So a double r, which means array, and then j in bracket less than a double r bracket j plus 1. So friends, enter then type, and then a double r, which means array, and then j, which means j value. Okay friends, and array bracket j plus 1, which means value of j and plus 1. So friends, doubt is clear. Oh, one line I forget it, and then a double r, and then j plus 1. So friends, keep start if ar, and then type colon, and then enter. If a double r, which means array j plus 1, and then we forget it temp, which means temporary value. Temp is equal to a double r, which means array, and bracket j plus 1. Okay friends, j plus 1, and then this line, and now a double r and bracket j plus 1 and is equal to temp, which means temporary value, and then return a double r, and then a double r value, a double r value, that is value is 78 comma 57, and they like to any number. I will repeat this: 35, 17, 22, 11, and okay, 98. So friends, let's start how we practice it in Python bubble sort using function. Which function in Python bubble sort, and then type a print this value. So sorted array is sorted array and colon. So friends, bubble sort, and then inside a double r, which means array, you know already. So friends, we have get output So let's watch. This is a value of bubble sort using function in Python. So friends, we have one by one step clearly. This is a Python programming language. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.